We are at gotomath.com. We are working some calculus, and we're down here under differentiation. We're under, let's see, what are we doing? We're doing implicit differentiation, and this section here is what we're in. It says find y prime. Alright, find y prime. So this is written implicitly. Implicit differentiation. Right. So let's go over to the board and write out what we see. So it's 5x squared plus y is equal to 7. Now this section here, it's all about we can't get y by itself, but in this particular problem we actually could solve for y, right? And we'd get this, and then we could take the derivative and get y prime. However, we're going to pretend that we can't do that, all right? And you'll see in some of the other problems. So this one here is we're going to treat it, that's the way we're going to treat it, right? Okay, this is how it works. So we're going to take the derivative of each one of these terms separately. And because they're asking us to find y prime, looks like a G, find y prime, okay, then we're going to do something special with the y right here. Alright, we're going to do something special with it. Okay, so if we had to take the derivative of 5x squared, what should we get? Well, we should get 10x, and that should be a no-brainer at this point in the game. If you don't understand how we just did that, you need to go to 2 sections up. Alright, plus, and just like if we were taking the derivative of x, we would be left with a 10 here. When we take the derivative of y, we're going to be left with a 1. Okay, be left with 1 because, you know, there's like a 1 out here as a coefficient, even though it's not written. It's like if we took the derivative of 10x, it would just be 10. Right? When we take the derivative of y, we got to take the derivative, which is 1, and then we got to write y prime. We got to write y prime. Okay, so we take the derivative of y, next to it we must write y prime. And the derivative of a constant is 0. Now what we're going to want to do is solve for this y prime. And so that means that we just say, okay, y prime is equal to, bring the 10x over to the right, and it becomes negative 10x, and you're done. Okay, you're done. Now, earlier, of course this is how it was written, if we took the derivative of 7, we get 0, and the derivative of negative 5x, we get negative 10x. And notice that these are both the same. They're both equal, right? They're both equal. So it'll be a little bit more complicated, obviously, than just this one here. Anyway, so we got y prime is equal to negative 10x. So this is written implicitly, and we're going to then solve for y prime. Alright, so remember where you saw this at GoToMath. You can subscribe and hit a shout out here and send me a message if it's positive. Okay? Alright then, see you on the next problem.